Good morning, everyone. It is a bright sunny day here, and today is shopping day, so I'm going to bring you along with me. I'm feeling really motivated just by the angle of the sun. Things are shining, my greenhouse is glowing, and it's calling to me, so a lot of exciting things are going to happen this week. So let's go shopping at Costco. I'm really hoping that today there's going to be more inventory. I'm sitting here staring at a hawk at the end of my driveway. Oh my goodness, I got to try to get this. Can you see the hawk? Maybe I never paid attention before, but I never saw this item. These tulips are starting to bloom in a hurricane vase. $14. They have some different colors. Oh, that looks pretty. These look interesting. I have some orchids here for $18.99. But from what I hear, everyone who tries orchids, these are not easy flowers to grow. Oh, look how pretty. Here's an item I thought you all might find interesting for $11.69. It says it feeds up to 500 square feet, all-purpose fertilizer, will not burn plants. So it's $1.16 a pound is what it averages out to for this Impact Organics earthworm castings. I wonder if this is going to go on sale, but you know what? I think I'm going to go ahead and buy a bag of this. Garden soil is in, you guys. $9.79 a bag for Miracle Grow Organic Choice in-ground raised bed soil. And the Miracle Grow Organic potting mix is $10.89. This is a different product than they used to carry. We bought some of this last year and it wasn't so bad, but I think we're gonna have to get a few bags of this prior to our giant delivery of soil that's coming from the delivery service, because I'm going to go ahead and buy myself one of these raised beds. So it's time, guys, they're getting everything in. So we decided after all that we're going to buy this bed here, and I'm going to start my spinach and cress in it. I'm going to assemble it on the side of the new greenhouse. That greenhouse right there, yes. Well, these gloves are slightly different from what we usually buy, and they say that they're women's, but this is random. There's one pack, and the pack has the label on it, so I wonder if they were a return. Maybe I should get, no, they don't feel the same quality as the ones that we usually buy, so I'm going to wait on that. However, the large deck box is in stock here. Suncast brand, they're charging $129.99 for this. So, looks like it's easy to assemble. The box is big and bulky. We're going to need a little help. This should go together fairly easy. Seems like the door is on a nice, easy closed hinge. Maybe it's just the resistance of the box behind it, but looks like a reasonable item. Wow, $1129.99 for these two chairs. Kind of pricey. Oh, does it come with, oh, it comes with a little table. This is a new item. Also a new item down here today is the pergola. Ooh, just spotted another set of furniture. This set here is $699.99. They're pretty sizey. And they come with a table also. Very expensive though. But I think is it actually a recliner? I don't know. I'm not sitting down to find out. I may never get up. All right, so let's see, you guys. The Artistry Gazebo, $1199.99. Hollow. Very nice. And I know a lot of us are looking for some comfortable stuff to get out in the garden in. For $13.99, they have these ladies jogger pants. They're like a lounge pant. They look pretty comfortable, actually. Very stretchy, jersey-like material. Might be worth $13.99 for 2 pairs. There's also a lot of portable chair options, you guys. Folding tables. Nice little chairs. Lots of camping options today. Honey mangoes are in. They look pretty good. They're not very bruised or discolored. Yum. Been waiting for this item to come back. I have to check and see if it was cheaper last year, but I believe it comes as a, yeah, you get the faucet and everything. We just redid our laundry room, so I think I might have to have a closer look at this. Here's all the measurements. 18 inches long, 16 inches wide, and 13 inches deep. So this could potentially be really perfect for our laundry room project. All of the Easter supplies are out. I don't really promote this, but I know a lot of you guys are looking for it to start baskets for your kids. But this area right here is like sabotage city for your health. So I'm just going to highlight it for you as a courtesy and let you see what it is that is on sale. But I don't love this stuff. It really is bad for you. I do have a story to tell about it. I'd rather have you go back and watch my content on how to make a healthy salad. This item will be coming out soon. There's no price on it yet, but it's in a cute little tin. They have blue, green, and like a gold yellow, and it has various items in it. So that should be coming down soon. I just don't know the price for you. You might be interested in this. Another shopper pointed this out to me just now. It does have the Death Star on it, so I guess it will be going away. But it's a honey ginseng tea, and it looks like, I don't know, I guess you just add a spoonful to some water. I guess that's how that works. That's here at the Mount Laurel Costco. I've been meaning to talk about this item with you. This apple cider vinegar is really very good. Normally they have the Kirkland brand, which I find to be much better because it was organic. But at $9.89, you get 3 bottles of really good apple cider vinegar. This is so good for your belly. It's fermented, it's great for digestion, and we don't use salad dressing anymore. This is the base of what I put on my salad, and I just drizzle a little bit on with extra virgin olive oil that I also buy here. So since I'm in this aisle, I'll go ahead and show you the olive oil if they have it. But if you see this product in your local Costco, you might want to pick it up. All right, so right now I don't see the bottles of the extra virgin olive oil that I usually buy. I usually shoot for single origin, but these bottles here, even though they say they are extra virgin, they're light, these olives are not the best quality. And when you have olive oil that you're paying a lot of money for, you really want to make sure you're getting the best quality. You want to shoot for single origin olives. These things come from all over the place, and they're not necessarily the best olives that you want to buy. So this isn't something I'm buying, but I just wanted to say to you that if you're considering this for your salad, it's not the best option, but it is definitely better than bottled dressing. I don't eat much pasta anymore, but when I do, this is the product that I get. It's a really good deal, $1.51 a pound. And for $10, you get 6 bags that are a little over a pound a piece. It is organic. It cooks up really easy. I really like this pasta. Unfortunately, pasta does not really like me. Before the pandemic, the price was only $7, but with the increase of grain prices, it's now gotten a little bit more expensive. And sometimes this item does go on sale, but out of all the pastas available here at Costco, this is the one that I go for, and I do keep this in my pantry. Check it out, you guys. I managed to get out of there with not really one single junk item. The one thing that I do use is half and half in my coffee, and that's the worst item in my cart. I did get the self-watering stand, which we'll be looking at in another video. I've got my avocados. The spinach didn't look so great this week, but I have to do what I have to do, and I also got myself a bag of worm poop. Well, I went ahead and loaded up my car. I didn't do too bad. That spruce planter actually wasn't too heavy. It was more awkward than anything. I did manage to get it into the car by myself without hurting myself. And a very nice gentleman who does work here at Costco followed me out into the parking lot to ask me if I needed assistance lifting it. So I thought that was really nice. But I explained that because I had 4 pounds of spinach in my cart, I had enough muscles to lift it by myself. So anyway, I think Costco's starting to pick up now, you guys. All the cool stuff's starting to come in. They still didn't have the gloves I was waiting for, but we will be coming back this weekend to pick up a few bags of that garden soil for this raised bed planter. And as I said, we will be having a massive delivery of soil coming from a local garden center to fill the beds. It's probably going to be several deliveries. So we decided that the price is the same. There's no like price break on if you get, you know, more yards, more cubic yards of soil. The price break happens when you actually pick it up yourself. So the price per cubic yard includes delivery. So we're just going to, I hate to have it delivered that way because of the carbon footprint of the delivery truck coming out. But in order to not hurt ourselves, we are going to just have it delivered in several smaller loads, and we'll try to reduce that. I won't do too many loads, but it'll be good because we'll have it delivered to curbside, and then we'll be able to get it cleared out of the street in a timely fashion. So today I did good. I didn't fall into the sugar hypnosis there at all in Costco. No cookies, no candy. I really try to avoid those things. I did highlight those Easter items for you because I know locally on our Facebook Costco page, people are always looking with interest at those things. And I've learned to step away from those items. So I hope you can too. But I think that every week now there will be more items available. It seemed that there were things that came in last week that were just completely gone. I didn't see those Banana Republic long sleeve t-shirts or the Eddie Bauer leggings. They were completely gone from last week's video. But, you know, everything's on a serious rotation here in the store. So there's lots of new items coming in all of the time. And I think the new campaign starts next week. So hot buys will be happening. So if you're a Costco shopper, you'll know what that means. I did see the Death Star on a lot of items, though. So that's something that you also want to look out for. If you don't know what I'm talking about, if an item is about to go away from Costco, for whatever reason, it will have a little star at the top right-hand corner of its price. So that's something you want to consider. Even though it may not be on sale, it means that it's not going to come back. Now, I noticed after I put the camera down that vinegar that I buy, the apple cider vinegar, it had a Death Star on it. So even though I didn't need it, I went ahead and bought some more because it's good in the pantry for at least a year. So hopefully the Kirkland brand will be replacing it because that's organic, and you know, maybe that's why that item has a Death Star on it. So, but anyway, guys, there's so much to shop for, and I did want to tell you, if you really enjoy these shopping videos, I came up with a pretty good idea that I'm going to take you along shopping with me, and I think you're all really going to enjoy it, especially the garden people. I think you're going to really love it. So you won't want to miss that. Please subscribe to the channel if you have not already, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss that video that's coming up. We have a lot of garden content coming up this year, so if you stayed with me this long and you enjoy the content, please go ahead and subscribe. We'll have a lot of fun videos coming this year. So I hope you really enjoyed this shopping trip with me. Thanks for spending the day with me, and I'll see you in the next video. This is my second hawk of the day. This old girl, I don't know if you can see her. She's a very old bird. I know this bird. I've been watching her for years.
Oh, is that guy Alex? Yeah, you see Alex? Did you miss me while I was gone? Yeah. There's Alex. Alex is dangerous, yes. Alex, say hello. This is why Alex lives in the town when he comes out. Yes, he loves town. He feels safe in town. So he doesn't bite mommy in the town. He's a good boy. You a handsome guy. There you are. I missed you. Give me a kiss.